Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to implement all these animations in Flutter. These are Lottie animations, that is lottiefiles.com. We get all these animations. Let us see how to implement all these in Flutter. Okay, here I have created a body with an empty container. First of all, we need to implement or install a package named Lottie. Yes, Lottie. This is the one. Here we are going to copy this dependency and paste it in PubSpec file. Then we are going to import this package. Okay. First of all, let me install whatever animations I want to. Let me download this. We get all these file form. We can even edit this, right? Edit color layers. We can edit all these some like duration, frame rate, dimensions, wind energy. Let me download the file. We get this in the here anime Flutter. Let me create a folder named assets where I have added the JSON file in a folder named assets. Here we have the JSON file. Let me grab this widget with the column children. Let me add another container. Let me give this color white. Colors.white. Here color is to colors.green. Okay, what if I added this? Let us grab these widgets with the expanded. This with expanded so that they share an equal space in this page. Okay, here we have white and here we have green. First we need to import this asset folder in my PubSpec file. Here we have it, right? Yes. Okay. Assets slash. Okay, if we add this assets slash, this assets is the name of this file, so that we have access for all the files inside this asset folder. Okay, here expanded. Let us grab this column with the stack. Stack is something so that we get what is here? Okay, if we add a stack, we would have this as a background color, and these both containers as a background color, and we can add images or assets on the top of it. Okay. Okay, here let me add Lottie dot asset inside the quotes. Let me give asserts slash. Let me copy this whole name. Let me paste it here. Okay, let me add this at the bottom. Okay, let me add this Lottie to the center. Okay. No, that's not the one. Let me add this flex to. Now what happens? I put the widget of center. Okay. Now we have added this Lottie file from the local asset. Now let us see how to add this from the internet. Lottie dot network, image from network and image from local. Similar to this, let me copy this. Let me open this first and then copy Lottie animation link, and then I like to give it here. Now if I save this and run, you would get the person riding a bike here. Let me add this Lottie even at the center. Let us decrease the size of this, height. Yeah, it have a height 40. What about 40? Is too small, right? We give this as 200. This is even at the top. Let us add let us wrap this Lottie with a container. Margin agencies dot only top with a height of 50. Now 100. Okay, let's even decrease the size of this. Height of what is the height of this? 200. Let me do this as 300. Okay, we have some. Let us change this to something. This one. Copy Lottie link animation. Lottie animation link. Let us paste it here. Let me run. If we use media query here, we would get a responsive height. Okay, we have completed what we tried to achieve. We implemented the Lottie animation in our Flutter app. We have seen how to import Lottie animation, that JSON file, from the local as well as from the network. Okay, this is the animation we did. Okay, that's all for today. Let us see again in the next video. Bye.